It's morning time. We're in quarantine day what?
It's a week.
It's the first week. But I'm making a tofu scramble. If that interests you, just keep watching. I'm going to start heating this up. This is going to be vegan. So yeah, I'm just going to use some of my Kroger coconut oil. Just a little bit. That's about how much I'm going to use. Okay, I'm still heating up. And here we go. Simple Truth organic tofu, firm. I honestly haven't noticed a difference between different types of tofu. People say to press it. You don't need to press it. Not necessary. Are you going to have some, Thomas? Alright, so I'm going to make the whole block. I like this tofu. So 15.5, so 75 milligrams of sodium for the whole thing. And I'm not eating the whole thing. Like I said in a previous video, I really care about my sodium intake. Here we go. I drained it. It's going to take it. Should I do the whole thing or half?
I mean, I'll eat it.
Yeah, let me just cook the whole thing. And I'm just going to crumble it up. One thing Thomas complains about is when I cook the tofu like this, that I leave some edges straight. He doesn't like that.
Mommy.
Yes, babe?
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy, I want to go potty and clean my hands.
Yeah, go to the restroom and wash your hands.
I did.
Good job. Did you flush the toilet?
Yes.
I didn't hear anything.
I did it, Mommy.
Good job.
I did it. I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, baby. So I found, through like experimentation, the perfect combo for the perfect tofu scramble. And that is adding some nutritional yeast. I ordered this on Amazon from the brand Foods Alive. There are no synthetic additives in this one. Some Kinder's organic lemon pepper. It does have some sodium, which isn't ideal for weight loss, but makes it taste super good. And also turmeric. I mean, it's a must. And then so this is like, I don't know what fancy vegans use, I guess. It's called black salt. You know, vegans who want to start investing in their spices, this is what they use. It smells like sulfuric-y. It kind of gives it that, you know, that egg taste. But if you don't have this, you don't need it. Because all you need is some stone ground mustard, and it does the same job, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So really, this is all you need to make a really good tofu scramble. Maybe some pepper. So here, let's throw in some pepper. Alright, so some of my tofu is starting to get a little brown, which is what I want. You don't necessarily need the whole thing to get that way. But now we're going to start adding our ingredients. Nutritional yeast, I think I'm going to, let's see how 1 tablespoon does. I normally don't cook this much. I think that'll be good. So 1 tablespoon of that. Like I said, this is that nutritional yeast. The lemon pepper. I'm actually only going to use half. I don't want to put too much of that in. So, half a tablespoon. Alright, turmeric. It's going to give it a little bit of that yellow color. And like I said, if you don't want to use the fancy black salt, the turmeric paired with the mustard gives the same exact effect. But since I found this combination out, like these two together, I've been really liking it. So I'm just going to do like a squirt or two. And yeah. I'm going to turn down the temp a little bit. And there's my tofu scramble. I mean, it smells just like scrambled eggs. And we'll see how the kids like it, because I know I've given Gavin tofu scramble before, and he'll eat it. But yeah, this is what we're having for breakfast this morning. So there we go. Looks good. All right, so essentially this is our breakfast spread. It looks big because we have time to make breakfast because it's quarantine week number 1. So let me zoom into my plate. So bagel, mushroom and zucchini, pretty much a full avocado, some tomatoes, my tofu scramble, and some dairy-free mozzarella. So that's pretty much my breakfast spread. Come on, Gavin. Here. And he likes it.